In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bio in Depop tutorial. Your bio is the quick intro shoppers see when they land on your profile, so let's set it up clearly and professionally. Start by opening Depop in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open your account options. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a navigation panel. Find and click on Profile in that panel to open all the details you can edit about your account. Within the Profile section, scroll to the area labeled About Me. This is where you'll find the Bio field. Click into the Bio box and type the message you want shoppers to read first. Keep it short, clear, and helpful. A good bio often includes what you sell, your style or niche, where you ship from, and any quick policies like shipping timeframes or whether you accept bundles or offers. You can also add a friendly line that reflects your personality while staying professional. Aim for 2 to 3 concise sentences so it's easy to scan. Avoid adding any private or sensitive information, no phone numbers, emails, or other contact details. If you like, light emojis can add personality, but use them sparingly so the text remains readable. Think about keywords a buyer might search for and naturally weave them in, like vintage denim, streetwear, or handmade jewelry, if they apply to your shop. Keep language welcoming and specific. Phrases like fast shipping, smoke-free home, or open to reasonable offers can build trust if they're true for you. Use line breaks selectively to improve readability on mobile. Once you're happy with what you've written, you're ready to save. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and click it. Your updated bio will be stored and should display on your profile shortly after. If you notice a typo later or your policies change, you can return to the same profile area and update your bio anytime. That's it. You've navigated to your profile settings, opened the profile page, found the About Me section, written a clear and helpful bio, and saved your changes. With a strong bio in place, shoppers can quickly understand your store, which can improve trust and increase sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Depop.